So friends, in previous video I had showed you how to issue a demand draft, screenshots and processes what you have to fill, right? And Finacle is a very user-friendly system. In this, I'll show you how to make demand draft payment. The command for that is HDDMP here, right? So please note it down, make a diary of Finacle that will be of use to you. Again, I'm reiterating, I'm in the process of making my own website wherein you'll have live videos in the Finacle. I'll be showing you live demo. I'll be giving you live demo there, wherein how you can issue drafts, make payments, or various other products. How to open a loan account, savings account, how to create a QFID, how to do RTGS, NEFT, how to overdraft, create overdraft against demand draft, overdrafts against uh, stock, as well as inventory management. I'll be showing with all of you there, right? So that will be of immense use to you. So this is my process endeavor. So kindly wait for time. Till then, you keep watching my YouTube videos. I think this will be of a lot of help to you, right? This is the command HDDMP. So again, make a diary and keep on noting it down subject wise, topic wise. So we invoke HDDMP, right? HDDMI was for issue. HDDMP is for mass payment here, right? So you enter in the menu shortcut, click on go. System displays a DD mass payment criteria. Function A, enter demand draft issue account. So when you'll go on searcher and you write DDS and the account type, scheme type, right? Automatically draft issue account number will be populated there. Select transaction type drop down. It is a cash or transfer, DDS instrument type, right? So this is here, click on go there. So this is how you have to, after clicking on go here, add here, go to the searcher, add the account ID, right? To whatever the customer wants, he wants the amount transferred to in his own account or cash, whatever he wants. And we click on go here, left hand side screen, extreme left bottom. You can see, click on go here. Then you enter demand draft number, issue date and submit. Because the data serial number is having all the data which is entered in the server, will automatically populate here, right? So you enter here additional details here, demand draft number here, issue date will automatically populate here. Nothing is to be done here. Just click on submit and this transaction takes place, right? So this is the part on the part of maker who has made the payment. Now this has to be verified by the checker here. So process of verifying DD payment, HDDMP, same command, right? Herein again, like when we were issuing, a verifier has selected the function as post, not as verify here. Remember this. Same menu options. Displays DD mass payment criteria here. Enter the transaction ID which was noted down by the maker on the demand draft slip. And you have to click on go here, right? So I'll show you on the screen here. Post here as verifier. Payment date will automatically come up today's date. Transaction ID, this you have to enter manually. Whatever has been noted by the maker here, M696 here. Click on go here. You can see your this tab number 3 here. Click on go here. All the details which were entered by the maker shall be populated here. As a verifying authority, you have to just check the correctness of the data entered by the maker and click on submit. That's all, right? So demand draft posted successfully and amount has been transferred to his current account. So this is how we make a payment of a demand draft here, right? So guys, I'll be sharing a lot of videos. I think some of you wanted on RTGS, NEFT, some of have commented on my video channel. So I'll be sharing with all of you how to make a single account into a joint account, how to add nominations, how to withdraw nominations, how to capture nominations once again. So it's a very nice system. And again, I'm reiterating, I'll be sharing live videos. Again, I'm reiterating of the Finacle. Besides, there will be lot of topics on banking terminologies, products, CASA, RTGS, NEFT, right? Ombudsman schemes, sales, selling techniques, your career growth, your personality growth, also how to overcome stress in the banking life, that I'll be sharing with all of you. So that will be of lot of use to you, right? So guys, keep liking. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ask your friends. I think that gives me a boost and energy to go ahead. And this is only my endeavor to help all the young bankers to make a good living and good career out of it, right? So thank you so much.